Hello friends, welcome to our aimstoday YouTube channel. In today's IIT-JEE NEET foundation class from physics subject measurement topic we are going to continue. Let's learn about some of the practical units of length in this video. So for length, mass and time, our scientists along with standard units, they have proposed so many multiples and submultiples. But still in so many countries and so many conditions, people are making use of traditional units which they were using from olden days. They are continuing the same traditional units for making the measurements. So they are called as practical units. Let's learn about them. So diameter of human hair. If I want to measure diameter of human hair, so this is the actual size of human hair. So very thin. This is the actual size. So this is the microscopic view. This part diameter we want to measure. This diameter of human hair is normally measured in microns. So micron means 1 micron. 1 micron is equal to 1 micrometer, or we call it as mu m. Mu stands for micro here, Greek letter mu. Its value is 10 power minus 6 meters. In terms of meter, 10 power minus 6 meter. If you multiply with 100, because 1 meter is 100 centimeter, if you multiply with 100, it will be converted into centimeter. 10 power minus 4 centimeter. So like that, human hair we can measure in microns. So next, wavelength of light. We know about visible light. It ranges from red to violet, WIBGR. It ranges from red colored light to violet colored light. So the measurement of wavelength of all these colors of light means wavelength of red color, wavelength of yellow color, wavelength of green color, like that all wavelengths, they are measured in angstroms, a unit called angstrom. They are measured in angstrom. The wavelength of red light is 7000 angstrom units. Like that of violet light is 4100 angstrom units. So here angstrom is another practical unit. So angstrom, its symbol is A naught, or A naught means a degree. The symbol used for degree, the same symbol used for angstrom also, A naught. So its value is 10 power minus 8 meters. If we convert into centimeters, 10 power minus 6 centimeters. So not only in angstroms, sometimes the wavelength also measured in nanometers. Sometimes it is measured in nanometers, or sometimes also measured in micrometers. Nanometer symbol Nm. Nanometer means 10 power minus 9 meters. Nano stands for 10 power minus 9. So that is second practical unit, angstrom. Next, third one. Suppose we want to measure radius of nucleus. We know about atom. Inside the atom, we will have nucleus. Inside the nucleus, we will have proton, electron, like that. So inside the proton, electron, neutrons, we will have quark, particles like subatomic particles like quark. So here, if the nucleus, if I want to measure the radius of nucleus, then it will be measured in Fermi or femtometer. So one Fermi equal to 10 power minus 15 meter. The symbol for Fermi is Fm, femtometer, 10 power minus 15 meter, or if it is converted into centimeter, 10 power minus 13 centimeter. So that is third practical unit, Fermi or femtometer. So if I want to measure light year, so here light year means it is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. In vacuum. That 1 year also it is Julian year. Julian year means the year which consists of 365.25 days. So this is light year. Actually, by the name light year, we will consider it as we will confuse it as a unit of time, but it is not the unit of time. It is the unit of length. It is used to express astronomical distances. So light year is used to express astronomical distances. We know that speed of light is around 3 lakh kilometer per second. 3 lakh kilometer per second. From Earth to Moon, the distance is 1.3 light seconds. 1.3 light seconds. So light second means still smaller unit than light year. So Earth to Sun, 8 light minutes. Light minute is also a smaller unit than light year. Earth to Mars, 12.7 light minutes. Earth to Alpha Centauri, 4.4 light years. Earth to Milky Way galaxy, 52,000 light years. So like that, for measuring astronomical distances, we make use of units called light years. The light second and the light minutes, we can make them derived from the light year. So one light year is approximately 9.46 trillion kilometers. 9.46 trillion kilometers, or 9.46 into 10 power 12 kilometer, or in terms of miles, 5.88 miles, trillion miles, 5.88 trillion miles. So here light year is a practical unit used for measuring astronomical distances. Astronomical unit. So here astronomical unit means the average distance between the Earth and Sun. It is about 150 million kilometer, or in terms of miles, 93 million miles. From Earth to Sun, in terms of kilometers, the distance is 150 million kilometer, or in terms of miles, it is 93 million miles. So this distance is considered as astronomical unit. Its symbol is small au or capital AU. But the distance between Sun and Earth, so because the Earth revolves around the Sun in elliptical orbit, so the distance is not constant. So it varies as the Earth orbits around the Sun from maximum aphelion to perihelion minimum in 1 year. So that's why they have taken the average distance. They have taken the average distance as the basis. So the one astronomical unit value is 1.5 into 10 power 11 meters. So it is one more practical unit. Parsec. We have one more unit called parsec. So we know that the distance between Earth and Sun is 1 astronomical unit. 1 astronomical unit. Suppose this is the curve. This is the curve. This is the curve, or this is the arc of length 1 astronomical unit. So this is the star at some distant place. So this arc subtends an angle of, at this distance star. If this arc length is 1 second, means 1 astronomical unit length of arc is subtending an angle of 1 arc second at a distant star. So then this distance from Sun to star, it is considered as parsec. So here we should know what is arc second. We know that 1 degree, if it is divided into 60 equal parts, so then 1 degree will become 60 minutes. 60 equal parts, 60 minutes. So here minute also, along with the unit of time, we can also consider as unit of degree. So unit of angle, 60 minutes. Again, if 1 minute is divided into 60 equal parts, each part is considered as a second, 60 seconds. So like that, in 1 degree, we are going to have 3600 seconds. So here this arc is one part of that 3600 parts. So if an arc of length 1 astronomical unit with a distant star, if it subtends an angle of arc second, so then the distance between the sun and the star is called as parsec. So its symbol is PC. The parsec is unit of length, is used to measure large distances outside the solar system. So it is also used to measure astronomical objects only, but still the objects which are outside the solar system, that can also be measured with the help of parsec compared to light year. So one parsec value is 3.26 light years. Means parsec is bigger unit than light year. Its complete name is parallactic second. So still some more practical units are there which we use in our daily life. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Symbol is IN. So 1 foot equal to 12 inches or 0.3048 meters. 1 yard 3 feet or 0.9144 meter. 1 mile 1760 yards or 1.6 approximately 1.6 kilometer. 1 nautical mile 2025.4 yards or 1.8 kilometer approximately. So like this, these are all the practical units of length. So like this, in same way we have practical units of mass and time, which we will learn in next video. Thank you. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.